Look at all these damn birds. Whole bunch of these damn birds. Better not crap on my car. I'm gonna fight. All these damn birds. They're ugly too. Crap on my car. One of them did yesterday. I strangled it. Damn birds. I hate birds. I don't know why they made a game about them. Yeah, you better fly away. Because they know I'll mess them up. Stupid birds. If my arms were long enough, I'd cut them. Stupid birds. Yeah, see, they're going away because they know I don't like them. Look at all those birds over there in the distance. Look at. Hey, that's a lot of birds. They're grabbing their family because they heard me talking about them. That is a lot of birds. Some of them are fighting too. Oh man, they're getting closer. Oh shit. That is a lot of birds. I'm gonna have nightmares about birds. I wonder if these birds are angry. Stupid birds. Alright. I'm gonna go inside before I get crapped on.